Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Silly Food Traveler. In today's video, I have decided to share with you 4 chia seed recipes which has amazing health benefits and are really great in taste. So what waiting for? Let's get started. Chia seed with lemon water is one of the easiest preparation to include chia seed in your diet. Take 1 glass of normal water or even lukewarm water is fine. Add pieces of lemon and 1 big spoon of chia seeds and stir it and keep it aside for 30 to 40 minutes. This chia seed water helps in digestion and prevents constipation. So try to include this water early in the morning. Guys, if you ask me which is your favorite drink, my answer will be chia seed smoothie is one of my favorite. For making this drink, I have used apple and pomegranate, but you can use any fruit of your choice. To make the smoothie, I use cut apples, pomegranate, 1 big spoon of chia seed, half cup of milk and 3 to 4 cubes of ice, and then make it a smoothie consistency. Then your smoothie will be ready in less than a minute. To your smoothie, if you want, you can add honey, sugar or dates. Then serve the smoothie in your favorite glass and add some cut fruits on the top such as apples, pomegranate and orange. And then you are ready with a power packed drink. This drink you can gently have in the mid morning time to control your hunger. Chia seed dosa, add sliced ginger, cut onions, small green chili slices, 1 teaspoon of chia seed, 2 big spoon of oats and then add little water and mix well. Then add half teaspoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of curd, salt as per your taste, jeera powder and little water and make it a pouring consistency. And then keep this mixture aside for 15 to 20 minutes. the tawa, add little oil and brush it, and then add the mixture and cook it at least for 3 to 4 minutes each side. Now your yummy and crunchy dosa is ready to be served. This dosa is full of health benefits such as it has fibers, helps in reducing weight, aids digestion, balances blood pressure and sugar levels. This is one of the easy breakfast recipes for all ages. Guys, are you in love with this colorful chia seed salad? Trust me, it tastes delicious too. To make the salad, first step is you have to prepare the dressing. To prepare the dressing, you have to take 1 lemon juice, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, powdered chia seed and crushed peanut and mix well and keep it aside. Into the salad bowl, add cucumbers, carrots, boiled peas, corns, apples, green chilies, and pomegranate. Then add salt as per your taste and mix well. Now to your salad, add the salad dressings, crushed peanut, chia seed powder, sesame seeds, flax seeds, and coriander leaves, and then mix it well. Now your salad is completely ready to be served. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please do like, share and comment below, and thank you for your support.